Hello once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics. Are you ready for a blast from the past model kit right here to unbox on this channel right now? Well, if so, get ready because today I have the AMT Drag Strip Accessory Pack. This is a vintage kit, as you can see. It's been released way back in the 1960s, but it has popped up again and again through AMT. I just happen to have an original from my friend John Harry's estate after he passed away. So without further ado, drag racing fans, Sunday, it's time once again to go down to the bench and see what's in the box. Now let's go all the way back to the drag strip where we get to see this amazing drag strip accessory pack by good old vintage AMT. This is kit number 3008. So, as we can see through the clear cellophane, there are a lot of cool drag strip parts. As we turn over our box, we see the instructions on the back, and right away we have the television camera. Now this is the one that NBC and CBS and ABC would have used way back in the day, the one with the 4 lenses on the turret. And if you wanted different close-ups or whatever, you would just rotate the turret in order to bring the camera closer. We have a viewfinder the camera has, the turret control, guide handle. Then we have our tripod down here. There's the camera pivot, pivot plate, tripod legs, tripod carriage, and 3 casters right here. We also have the carrying handle, one on each side. And down below, we have our lane lights, starter flag. We have the starting area push broom, fire extinguisher, and loudspeaker and a stand. Here's our parts tree for the drag strip accessories, and you can see just how wonderful these are. The lights actually look like car headlights in here. They have that crosshatch texture in them. The camera casing is really beautiful looking. Tripod legs, awesome stuff. There's the turret there, and somewhere should be our 4 lenses. Where are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, way in the corners. Alright, bringing this up to the camera to the camera. Yeah, again, look at that nice detailing on there. Headlights are neat. Loudspeaker is cool. Whoops, I just broke part of the fire extinguisher off. Gotta be careful with that. And then they got the wood on the back. That's really neat. Actual wood texture there. Stands are cool. There are mold marks in them, which will have to be cleaned up. Overall, though, this is an amazing little piece of history. Well, I hope you enjoyed that look at the nostalgic drag strip accessory pack, and you know for certain I'm gonna build that camera. There's no way around it, man. Dig that groovy scene live, coast to coast on TV. So if you really dig these great unboxing videos, I know this was a quick one today, subscribe to this channel, click that thumbs up button, make sure you click on all notifications so whenever I make a new video, you're the first to see it. And if you want to get some amazing model kits, don't forget to visit our website, www.monster-hobbies.ca. And if you want to help support this channel a little further, consider becoming a member. Membership has its privileges. All right, everybody, until next time, happy model building, and we'll see you in the next video.